Wadau, you are one hospital bill away from poverty. Let me tell you, you joke with this body, unacheza naye mwili, unaipiga majank, upigi zoezi, umeiachilia tu, umelegeza tu. The day it decides to disappoint you, ndio unajuanga how hospital bills can be expensive. Coming from a family that has experienced hospital bills, Buddha, take care of your body. Pia wanasemanga you can never outwork a bad diet. Eat well. Check what you are eating. Wacha kula tu ovyo ovyo. You don't need to eat 3-4 meals a day. You don't need to keep snacking. Kula kama mtu ako na manners msee. Wacha kuexcitiwa na chakula. Hii body iko designed kushinda digest chakula. No wonder you are ever with mood swings, unakuanga umechoka throughout, unasikia kulala. Ni kwa sababu ya kushiba msee. Reduce your eating. Work out. Take care of your body. Moso kwanza umeanza kupita ka 35 ukisonga hivyo. Take care of your body. Because you are one hospital bill away from poverty.